na nä å ndå koretwo very common thä inä wa budget itå na actually ona budget ä yothe tondå må gä thondeka budget nä må gatwä na mbeca ici no mabataro maitå nä maya twä na ihoro haha mbeca ici kuma kå na thä na å rä a å koretwo thä inä wa bå rå ri å witå nä atä tå koretwo hä ndä ciothe na budget deficit thirikari ĩno ya President William Ruto agĩũka thĩ-inĩ wa wathani nĩ augĩte nĩ tũgakinya hĩndĩ tũkoragwo na surplus budget.
Yes.
Very ambitious. Tondũ rauga tume from a place ya gũkomba billion icio ũragwĩta 700 kinya 1 trillion per financial year.
Yes.
To a place atĩ twĩna mbeca twatigia thutha wa gwĩka expenditure itũ twĩna mbeca twatigia. Maybe nĩ tũgakinya hau mũthenya ũmwe but we are far from it. Through budget ya mwaka ũyũ hari mbeca iria tukurogota riu tiga riu iria tukuhuthira ati riu ati no ndungi.
Yes.
1.2 trillion ciguthie kuriha mathire na mathire maya turariha 1.2 trillion hatire na principal.
Yes.
That is the interest component. Mathire maitu at the moment we are at about 10.9 trillion. Ndirana report ya 10.9 trillion. Ndirana report ya treasury from CBK.
Yes.
As soon as last week Friday. So 10.9 trillion turariha interest ya 1.2 trillion per year. Kana this year so to say.
Yes.
So from our CFS consolidated fund services tondu kindu kia mbere kire gichargeable from consolidated fund ni kindu gitagwo public debt. We pay 1.2. Yes. That has to be paid. Then tuke mishara ya rutia wira na tushoke tuke mishara ya constitutional offices. Tushoke tuke pension. Pensions only we are paying about 323 billion.
Yeah.
Yes. Pension and wana maritai te maraheo mishara. Okay, pension so it's mishara. And then another me okirita maheo the lump sum, you know.
Yes.
Tushoke tume hau rutuke ru maundu mabataro maria mangi makiriku mishara ya arimu na civil servants. Then tuguke development. You know, that is the priority.
Yes.
Uguo capital expenditure ni ikoragwo ina guku thi. No katiba itu nayo ni ikoragwo interesting tondu yugaga mbeca ciothe cingikombo cikorwo cirĩ cia development. Of course that does not happen. Uko na ingi cikomba gukaigwa ici ni cia budgetary support. Waigwa ni budgetary support. That's a very ambiguous term.
Yes.
Budgetary support no cigethi capital expenditure and recurrent. And that is the behemoth kana the neo nyamu ĩrĩa rĩu thĩinĩ wa nyũmba that we have to deal with.
Yes.
Debt. This budget ni ya 4.2 billion.
Trillion.
A trillion, sorry.
Yes.
4.2 trillion. No, nditego president ni araugire through cabinet meeting ira marari ni ku reduce on 10%.
Yes.
And which is a good thing to do. Utri na fata wa guthondeka budget tutarahota ku meet. Na gitumi kimwe kia wa horo wa pending bills tondu no gwenda gukinyira ni ati kwa budget gutwike mbeca ici ni ciguthie ministry ya barabara bilioni 200 cigake bara. What happens? Ministry dia na break procure tondu ndeto icio cithi no budget. Kaundu kamwe gukwira ni ati we are too ambitious in our budgeting. Capacity to ya collect that revenue ni raga tondu ndigwicira kuhire turi twakinyaniria matanya ma mbeca tufati ku collect. Hi wa maita rimwe kana meri ukaigwa kuote no to exit. No kuote wengi ukaga tondu there are many other factors. Ndingi akorwo ni mbeca ici murecirite ni mugukomba mugithie gukomba kwi IMF na World Bank magaka mwikira conditions uguo murari mukombe from ikorwo external debt ikarema. Nigetha muhote guthie na mbere mugacoka bururi-ini mugauga ru tondu turarwo no gukomba mbeca ici that have raised this money internally. Magathi mabengi ni maitu magoka kuri andu teithio na through treasury bills na ona tiga magoti treasury bills na treasury bonds
kaigithia
makarogota mbeca icio cigaikio thĩinĩ wa projects iria cibati gwikio. But then pending bills ciukaga tondu mbeca icio itinarogotwo na ni kwa procure wira no arutirwo no mbeca cia kuriha ni ciaga na thĩinĩ wa watho we have a very progressive law itagwo PFMA. Public Finance Management Act yugaga ndukanagure kindu we department ya thirikari kana parastatal mutari na budget.
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.